popular demand, a bit of Chaz cam time, and we've heard that people want to see us intro the Mustang Dark Horse. And to be honest, I'm not a very good stat man, but I got my friend Cam Waters here that knows all about this vehicle.
Maybe not everything about it, but let's just wing this chassis. So they've finally given us a Dark Horse to look at. The first thing that comes to mind is these intake scoops at the front of the car, getting plenty of fresh air, so get the hay and feed the big pony.
The cooling package on this is a lot more than the other Mustangs. So obviously when you give it more power, you're going to need more cooling. And I believe this car's got a lot of cooling.
So this is probably the ultimate track car, a lot more performance.
But it all doesn't stop there. I hear they've also done some interior pack in this as well.
Let's head to the interior, Matt.
So first thing you can see, custom shifter. You're going to want that.
Yeah, you just tell it's a lot racier inside than the standard Mustang. Recaro seats. I love the dark blue features. What a car.
I just want to know when we can pick our one up.
I'd love to have a skid in one of these things. Do you reckon they'll let us?
I reckon we just need to find a racetrack on a cold Melbourne day, like possibly today, and we might just go for a couple of laps. What do you reckon?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Let's have a
Turn
dip.
the cameras off. There's your intro. Here's the Dark Horse.
And we want to do an F-150 next, so put it in the comment section. Tell Ford that you want a wrap of the F-150.
Or a laser.
Or an AU Falcon.